Attorney, hindi nyo maibigay? Anong problema doon? Sige nga, are we talking... Attorney, please cite in the specific provision of the Bank CCC law that we are not allowed. Sige nga, are we asking for a bank account? No. Are we asking for bank transaction? No. We are just asking for the list. Now, aabot tayo dito sa chairman nyo. Baka mapahiya kayo. Papatawag ko yung chairman nyo dito. Next hearing.
It refers to deposits, tama?
Yes po.
Eh kung listahan lang naman ng bangko na merong bank transactions yung mga LCEs, is that part of the deposit?
It is, Your Honor.
It is with the ambit of Section 2 of 1405?
Yes, Your Honor. Because the provision of such a list, Your Honor, would imply the existence of an account. And that is covered by the bank secrecy law.
Land Bank, regional kayo, no? Land Bank, sa region. Okay, region, wala dito. Oh, sige, please proceed.
But just in case we might be overwhelmed with the number, Mr. Chair, may I know how many branches are serving the BARM from Land Bank? Because the point, Mr. Chair, is that I want to also check on the releases of these funds, Mr. Chair.
Land Bank, ilan bang yung branch daw?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. So as of now po, yung parang po sa Cotabato City pa lang po yung meron kami doon na 5 branches. Pero i-double check po namin dito sa iba pa pong area na covered po ng BARM. Then we will give po the full list of the branches covering the BARM areas.
So may 5 sa Cotabato. Tama po ba?
Opo, meron po.
Okay.
Yun sa may city po mismo, within the BARM
Sa city of
area.
Cotabato.
Opo. Pero
Actually, Mr. Chair, I'm just really interested in the branches where LGUs have accounts with. Kasi, like, let's say in Cotabato, if you have 5 branches, hindi naman lahat doon dealing with the LGU. So, can we request, before I move that they be invited, can we request from Land Bank to provide us with a list of branches where LGUs have accounts, Mr. Chair, para ma-limit natin yung number of invitees na lang po. In the Bangsamoro. Yes, sir. Mr. Chair.
Land Bank?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, pero that will bahel po ito sa secrecy of deposit. So, we cannot submit
Eto
po
na
the
ngayon
list
tayo.
of accounts.
Dito tayo magsisimula. First question pa lang, you invoke bank secrecy. We're just asking if what LGU na may transaction with Land Bank, you invoke bank secrecy? No, hindi natin pinag-usapan dito yung pondo. We're just asking about the list of all LGUs sa Land Bank. Ito, this will be may problema kayo dito. Ako, believe you me, kahit saan tayo pumunta. We're just asking you to comply with all LGUs na may banks, transaction with your banks, that covers in the BARM. Attorney, hindi nyo maibigay? Anong problema doon? Sige nga, are we talking... Attorney, please cite in the specific provision of the Bank CCC law that we are not allowed. Sige nga, are we asking for a bank account? No. Are we asking for bank transaction? No. We are just asking for the list. Now, aabot tayo dito sa chairman nyo. Baka mapahiya kayo. Papatawag ko yung chairman nyo dito. Next hearing.
Mr. Chair,
Please proceed, Chairman Akop.
don't they have a lawyer with them?
Legal nila.
May I know what law are you talking about?
Mr. Chair. So, the law we are referencing is Section 2 of Republic Act 1405, otherwise known as the Bank Secrecy Law.
It refers to deposits, tama?
Yes po.
Eh kung listahan lang naman ng bangko na merong bank transactions yung mga LCEs, is that part of the deposit?
It is, Your Honor.
It is with the ambit of Section 2 of 1405?
Yes, Your Honor. Because the provision of such a list, Your Honor, would imply the existence of an account. And that is covered by the Bank Secrecy Law.
Attorney, when I asked you, meron bang account si Governor Adjong sa isang bank ninyo doon sa Bangsamoro, Is that covered by Section 2 of
Yes.
1405?
Yes, Your Honor.
Whether I have a bank account or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is
The
that
only-
your interpretation?
It's not our interpretation.
Whose interpretation is that?
It is the position of the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel that advised us that even the mere existence of a bank to confirm that there is the mere existence of a deposit account with a branch is already invoking the absolute confidentiality of the bank secrecy law, Your Honor. But the exception, of course, is if the good governor would give his written permission.
We know that. We
Yes.
know that. Sa dami ng investigasyon namin dito na ginagawa, alam na namin yun eh. Pero it refers only whether we asked information regarding their deposits. Kasi that is the title of 1405. Di ba? Tama. Pero kung humihingi po kami ng listahan ng mga land bank as asked by the Honorable Flores, is that within the ambit of Section 2 of Republic Act 1405?
Yes, Your Honor. As much as the bank and its representatives would want to cooperate, again, we are constrained by the limitations provided for in the absolute confidentiality of bank deposits.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Ganito na lang po. Attorney, okay lang yun sa ngayon. Okay, if the members of this committee will join me, we will invite the... You mentioned about who from the Office of the Government Corporate... Sino po, attorney? Sino nga?
You're asking for the particular lawyer that
Yeah, and the
issued
and
that
the
opinion.
and the official position nila. Baka mamaya magtuturuan kayo dito.
Sige po.
Sino po?
With permission, I will...
Hindi, sino po muna?
With
Do you
per-
have do you have that document?
With permission, I will refer to my files and respond in after I check.
Pinag-usapan natin ito, hindi deposit We're just asking for the list of banks. Baka mamaya, ang laman ng opinion ang opinion nila is bank deposits. Attorney, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please submit to this committee, not later than today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pati yung sinasabi mong yung opinion nila, kasi gusto ko rin tingnan yan, kahit hindi ako abogado, titingnan ko yan.